Hello my friends, this is TechRover and we are here with another amazing quick troll video about how you can turn on the ultra graphic setting of Mobile Legends Bang Bang in your Android device. So first we go here on the setting of Mobile Legends Bang Bang to check out for the ultra graphic option of this game. When I try to click on this, you can see it's completely unavailable. But in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make it available. So, first, we find out Mobile Legends Bang Bang game here on our Android device. Uninstall this game, but remember you will lose your all resource. That's why there's a video about how you can back up and restore the resource of Mobile Legends in my YouTube channel. Check it out, and I have the backup of the resource in my Android device and I don't care about it. Now I'm going to install back the Mobile Legends Bang Bang to my Android device. So I'm just click on install and waiting for this game going to be installed, and then I'm going to click on open, and here we go. Now time to close all advertisement. And here we go. You can see I lose my resources, but I want to show you the thing which is very important here on the setting, which comes on the new updated version of Mobile Legends. The ultra graphic setting has been activated here. Now it's the ultra graphic setting of Mobile Legends. You can see even we have a massive bout. It will be available for all devices very soon. Now time to restore my resource to this game, which is backed up in my Android device. So let me check for heroes. You can see there's no skins because I don't have the resource now in my Android device. It's downloading, and here we go. I restored the resource of Mobile Legends to my Android device and I get back all the skins and everything. And this is the ultra graphic gameplay. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and see you until next quick troll videos. Bye bye my friends.